Hello everyone. I welcome you all to the new session of English grammar, and today we are going to start with our new topic, chapter 11, articles. So let's discuss. So as you all know that from the I suppose from the second standard or third standard you are learning about the articles. So an article is a word that comes before a noun. Article is a word which comes before a noun. Like here you can see boy, bee, apple, these all are the nouns, and we have used the, and these are the articles which are used before the nouns. Now there are three articles, a and the. In our grammar, in our English grammar, there are three articles which we use. Now we will discuss about the types of articles. Articles also have type. What are the type? Indefinite articles and definite article. Okay, so there are two types. Indefinite, as the name suggests itself, indefinite means that they are not definite about anything, and definite article when we talk about anything specific, anything definite, so then it is a definite article. Now uses of definite and indefinite article, how we can use the definite and indefinite article. Let's see. Articles, as you know that they are divided into two categories, indefinite article and definite article. So indefinite articles are a and. These are the two articles which comes in the category of indefinite articles because they are not definite about the subject. They don't know about the subject. Okay, about what noun we are, about which noun we are talking, they don't know about it. So that's why we use a and with the noun according to the word. But on the other hand, the is a definite article and it comes with a specific noun, okay, or the subject, because it knows the subject. That's why we use the as a definite article. Okay, now here you can see the example. The indefinite article tells us something is non-specific. Non-specific means when we don't know about that thing. It can be anything. Okay, so then we use a or n according to the word, according to the noun. Here you can see a thief, because we don't know about this thief. But the definite article tells us something is specific. The, when we use the article, then it tells that noun is specific. Then it just show that that noun is specific, means the thief means this is a specific thief. The writer and reader knows about him. Okay, this is a specific thief which we are talking about. So using a and the, how we can use a and or the in a sentence. Let's see. A is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. When a noun is not specific and it is singular in number. Okay, it is singular in number and it is countable. Countable and uncountable, you know. Countable means the things which we can count, and uncountable means when we cannot count them. So a is used in front of singular countable noun which are not specific, but the thing is when that thing is not specific, we use a with that. In the same way, an is also used with the singular countable noun which are not specific, a and n. Now next point is, we don't use a before uncountable or plural noun. Means when we are talking about more than one thing, when we are talking about plural noun, then we don't use a with it, then we don't use a with it. In the same way, we don't use an with it also, because we are talking about plural. Okay, we don't when we are talking about plural, means more than one noun, then we don't use a or n with it. Fine. Next point, a is used if a noun starts with a consonant sound. Means, as you all know, in our alphabets there are few vowels and there are the rest are the consonants. Okay, so when the word is starting with a consonant sound, we use a with it. Okay, article a with it. And if it is starting with a vowel sound, a, e, I, o, u, then we use an with it. Okay, like here you can see the example of a cat, a house, a boy, a table. Okay, these all are starting with a consonant sound. On the other hand, when you talk about an, the words like an apple, an egg, an aunt, all are having the vowel sound. Okay, so when the noun is starting with a vowel sound, then we use and with it. When it is starting with a consonant sound, then we use a with it. Okay, article a, an. Now we will talk about the article the. We use the in front of all nouns. The can be used with any of the noun, like whether it is a plural noun, singular noun, countable or uncountable. It can be used with anything, but the most important thing is that it should describe someone or something specific or unique. When we are talking about some unique thing, when we are talking about some specific thing, then we use the with it. Okay, like the world. Okay, world is a unique thing. The moon. Moon is a specific thing. Moon is a unique thing. The sun. Sun is a unique thing. So when we talk about the unique thing, then we use article the. So this is the thing. This is like this is how we can use article a, an, and the. Now bacha, here you can see that there is an exercise, a very small quick exercise we will do, like dash sun is the star. So sun, is it a plural or singular? We can find it out. And the sun, the most important thing is sun is a specific noun. Okay, so we will use the with it. Okay, article the will be used here. Next, I saw dash butterfly. There is a singular, there is a one butterfly only. It is a singular butterfly. So we will use a with it, because butterfly is not specific. Okay, he is dash engineer. Okay, he is dash engineer. Engineer is also not specific, so we can use a or an with it, but we have to find out, we have to listen to the sound of engineer. It is a vowel sound, so we will use and with it. Okay, last, can you play dash piano? So we will use the with it. Why? Because we are talking about this particular piano here. Okay, can you play the piano? So I will see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.